Embark on a journey through the herbal wonders that combat high blood pressure. The silent assailant lurking within. With over 50 million Americans affected, it's time to explore the arsenal of natural remedies at your disposal. High blood pressure, the stealthy foe, silently threatens your heart and kidneys, demanding attention before it's too late. Unravel the mysteries behind the causes of this silent menace, from lifestyle choices like smoking and obesity to uncontrollable factors such as genetics and hormonal changes. But, nature offers its full array of healing wonders to combat this formidable foe. Behold the power of garlic. Not just a culinary delight but a potent blood thinner, ready to stand by your side in the battle against high blood pressure. Learn the secrets of hawthorn, revered by homeopathic doctors for its ability to soothe and heal. And marvel at the mighty fish oil, rich in DHA, poised to lower your blood pressure and restore balance to your body. But beware, for herbal remedies must be wielded with care. Consult with wise healers, professional doctors to guide you on your journey. From chewing raw garlic to savoring hawthorn berry supplements, discover the rituals that harness the full potential of nature's bounty. And amidst the whispers of dizziness, headaches, and nosebleeds, find solace in the herbal embrace that alleviates your woes. Let herbal remedies be your shield against the stealthy advances of high blood pressure, ensuring your vitality and well-being. So, embark on this herbal odyssey with courage and curiosity. Discover the full spectrum of herbal allies, from garlic to hawthorn, fish oil to green tea, and let nature's gentle touch guide you towards wellness. Subscribe now to unlock the secrets of herbal wisdom and join the ranks of those who conquer high blood pressure with nature's gentle touch. Let the adventure begin.